Hi guys, welcome to this week's Meatless Monday. So at the moment the weather is really terrible at the moment, so I wanted something nice and warming to help warm me up. So I decided I'm going to make some butternut squash soup. So in order to make this, you're going to need a butternut squash, and then 2 carrots, a parsnip, an onion, and then some form of stock. I'm using stock cubes, but you can use other forms like ready-made stock if you want. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to simply peel and chop the carrots, parsnip and squash. Okay, so that's the carrots, squash and parsnip chopped up. And so I'm going to be roasting this at about 180 degrees for around 40 minutes. So the all of the vegetables should be sort of nice and soft by that point. I've also saved the peelings, not for this recipe, but I am going to be using it at a later date to make some vegetable stock. Hey guys, while the vegetables are cooking, I'm just going to gently brown off the onions. So this should only take a few minutes to do. Okay, so the onions are just starting to soften up and brown off now. So I'm now going to add 1 litre of stock. And I'll just leave that to simmer slightly for a bit. Okay, so the vegetables have now finished cooking. As you can see, they're just slightly brown there. Don't need to be quite that brown, but that's absolutely fine. And then I've also got the vegetable stock and the onions in a blender, so I'm just going to add the vegetables to this and blend that up. Generally speaking, it's better to use one of them hand blenders to blend soup up, but I don't have one, so I'm just using a normal blender. Okay, so just going to quickly blend all this up now. Okay, so that is now sort of about ready. I'm just going to put it back into the saucepan just to heat it up for a few more minutes before serving. Okay, so now everything's ready, so just simply serve it up and enjoy. If you're looking for any more recipes to make with butternut squash, I have found another great YouTuber called Go Herbie. I'll link in the description below, but they've got some great recipes that you can do with butternut squash. So I hope you enjoy those as well. And until next time, stay healthy.